Isn't that awesome? This is just like the Eachine P51D Miss Helen. It was so nice in full manual mode. And right now I haven't had to change any of the linkage, the default linkage. These guys are getting really good at setting these planes up. Setting these planes up from the factory. I have the Eachine F4U Corsair out here again. This is a fantastic flying little plane. I highly recommend it. Let's see if we can get it in the air. I am flying it with the TX16S. It's absolutely fantastic. All right, launching. Did you hear how quiet that was? Now I did balance my prop before I put it in the air first time. It had a bit of a vibration out of the prop, and so I recommend that you do that before you put it in the air the first time. Isn't that a beauty? Another excellent looking 500mm wingspan, brushless, sub 250 gram warbird, and look how tight you can turn that in fully stabilized mode. It's got good authority on everything except the elevator. The elevator's a little bit lacking in fully stabilized mode, but in intermediate mode and expert mode it's awesome. Alright, so we are now in expert mode. Look at that roll rate. Look at those big huge loops. Now I put 5 grams of nose ballast weight on this plane the first time I brought it out, and that made it very, very stable. I've got 2.5 grams of nose ballast weight on it now. It's not quite as stable as it was with the 5 grams, but what I'm thinking is that the Goldilocks zone for the nose ballast weight using the stock LiPo, I think might be around 3.5 to 4 grams of nose ballast weight. That's what I think will probably be the Goldilocks zone for that. How about the aerobatic nature of this plane? I'm flying it like I stole it. That was a nice little spin there after completing that hammerhead. That's a beauty of a plane, though. Just a beauty of a plane. Pretty speedy in the air. Excellent roll rate. Good power on 2S for some pretty big wide loops. Hammerheads are not a problem. Split S maneuvers are not a problem. Immelmans are not a problem. Isn't that awesome? I want to thank Banggood again for sending this for review. That is just a great flying little plane. And I'm just flying it with the stock LiPo. Alright, I'm about at the end of my timer. Get out here at the road. Alright, let's see if we can bring it in. There we go. You can slow this down really, really well and bring it in for a landing. It's awesome. Let me see. I wonder if it will actually taxi on this. Yeah, so cool. It'll actually taxi around. Anyway, that's a wrap on this episode. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the air.